Hey friends, if you're tired of greasy, messy cooking but still want delicious crispy food, then stick around because today I'm talking about the Philips Essential Airfryer XL, the game changer your kitchen needs. First off, let's get straight to the point. Crispy on the outside, tender on the inside, using up to 90% less fat. That means you get all the flavor without the guilt. Whether it's fries, chicken wings, or even veggies, this air fryer delivers every time. Now here's what makes this air fryer stand out from the crowd. It's got a patented Starfish design. What does that mean for you? Faster, more even cooking. The constant circulating heat ensures that your food comes out perfectly golden every time. And trust me, once you taste it, you'll be hooked. But wait, it's not just an air fryer. It also grills, roasts, bakes, and even reheats. Need dinner ready in a flash? The 7 preset cooking options on the digital touchscreen make it super simple to cook anything with just a tap. Plus, there's a keep warm function so your food is ready when you are. Got a big family? No problem. The 6.2L capacity can cook up to 5 portions of food at once. Perfect for family dinners, meal prep, or even hosting friends. Now, let's talk about cleanup. Nobody loves scrubbing pans, right? Well, the Quick Clean basket has a non-stick coating and all removable parts are dishwasher safe. So cleanup is a breeze. Oh, and here's a pro tip. Download the Philips Kitchen app. It's packed with hundreds of tasty recipes and cool features to level up your cooking game. You'll never run out of ideas for delicious, healthy meals. Now, I can't stress this enough. Always go for original products to avoid cheap copies. You deserve the best, and buying the genuine product ensures top-notch quality and performance. That's why I've shared the link to the authentic Philips Airfryer XL in the description. Don't get fooled by knockoffs. Click the link and grab the real deal today. Seriously, this air fryer is a game changer for your kitchen. Whether you're cooking for the family or just treating yourself, it's fast, easy, and healthy. So, what are you waiting for? Check out the link and elevate your cooking game today.